You can extend your battery life significantly on your Galaxy A56 by enabling power-saving mode, which reduces performance and limits background activity without affecting basic tasks like browsing or using social media. This is how it's done. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel, look for the power-saving icon, and tap on it to enable the feature. If the icon is highlighted, that means power-saving mode is currently active. To further customize it, tap and hold the power-saving icon until you're taken to its configuration screen. Here, you can choose specific battery-saving options based on your needs. You can enable Turn Off Always On Display, which helps conserve battery while the phone is idle. If you enable Limit CPU Speed to 70%, it will slightly reduce performance, so it's not ideal when using heavy apps. The Decrease Brightness by 10% option dims your screen automatically when power-saving mode is turned on, regardless of your original setting. You can also enable the Set Motion Smoothness to Standard and turn on Dark Mode. Aside from that, you have an option to set screen time out to 30 seconds. Lastly, you can enable Limit Apps and Home Screen to restrict usage to selected apps, disable background activity, apply a dark theme, and turn off edge panels. Once you've configured everything, just tap the switch at the top of the screen to activate power-saving mode again. And that's it. That's how you enable and configure power-saving mode to get the most out of your battery on the Galaxy A56. We hope this guide helps you out. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.